Hello everybody, this is Dr. Vanaja Vaidyanathan, founder, medical director and consultant ophthalmic surgeon, Jyoti Eye Care Center, Puducherry. In this COVID-19 lockdown period, all of us have been spending a lot of time in front of smartphones, computers and all sorts of gadgets. Do you know the ill effects caused by these gadgets to our eyes? Today, I am going to tell you the effects caused by these gadgets to our eyes and also the simple tips and remedies for these problems. When we are working on computers, we keep staring at the screen and forget to blink enough. This leads to evaporative dry eye. And what does this cause? It causes burning, irritation, itching, eye pain, foreign body sensation, redness, and paradoxically even watering. The tear film consists of 3 layers. The innermost mucus layer, which helps in the water adherence to the eye surface, the watery layer which forms the majority of the tear film, and the outermost oil layer which comes out of the oil glands in the margins of the eyelids. Every time we blink, the oil spurts will come and protect the watery layer. So this stabilizes the tear film and this has to be sufficiently present. Excessive usage of computer not only leads to evaporative dry eye, it leads to headache, neck pain, backache. All these put together is called the computer vision syndrome. The physical and mental strain and stress caused by excessive usage of computer is together called as computer vision syndrome. The blue light emitted from the digital devices flickers a lot and leads to digital eye strain. So now I am going to tell you about the simple tips that you can take up and follow in order to get over this digital eye strain. When you are working on computer, it is important to remember the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes you take a 20-second break, blink 20 times and look at 20 feet away. This will help in replenishing the tear film, preventing evaporative dry eye, and also it will help in getting over the eye strain caused by the focusing muscles, the ciliary spasm. Ideally, we will have to be blinking 20 times a minute, but we blink hardly 5 to 7 times a minute according to a study done on computer users. Hence, we have to remember to blink enough. Remember to hold the mobile phone or the computer in the correct position. The computer has to be just below eye level at a distance of say 30 inches at least. The center of the screen should be at least 4 inches below the eye level. Overhead lighting has to match with the screen lighting and it should neither be very bright nor dark. We have to remember to drink enough water, at least 2 to 3 liters a day, 8 to 10 glasses of water every day in order to prevent dehydration and the physical strain associated with it. Vitamin A rich food is essential for eye health. Greens and orange and red vegetables and fruits are very rich in vitamin A. Carrot, tomato, papaya, mango and all seasonal fruits are rich in vitamin A. In addition, we need for the dry eyes omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for preventing dry eye, present in walnuts, chia and flax seeds, soya beans, fish, etc. Wearing protective glasses with anti-reflective coating. If people have power, the power glasses would be good enough, but the glasses should have anti-glare coating. That's important to prevent radiation hazard and also to prevent evaporative dry eye and eye strain. Avoiding usage of mobile phones 1 hour before going to bed and 1 hour after waking up is important. This will prevent you from having sleep disturbances and mental strain. It is also important that you use one device at a time. Don't juggle with too many devices and that's going to again cause a lot of strain to your eyes and to your mind. Smart usage of smartphones and devices is essential for a smart life. Stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy. Thank you.